శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi telling all Saunaka and other rishis, O Maharshis, Bhishma Pitamaha addressing Pandavas, saying that, O my dear Pandavas, Paramatma Sakshat Sriman Narayana is standing right in front of me, giving his darshanam. O Pandavas, before we leave this body, before we depart from this body, whoever is getting to pay all their attention to Paramatma, whoever is completely having their mind occupied with Sriman Narayana, bhaktiyavesya manoyasmin vacha yen nama kirtayan, whoever gets to sing Paramatma's namam, they are going to be completely liberated from all kind of clutches of this birth and death. Muchyate kama karma bhihi. O Pandavas, see, look at the Sakshat Sriman Narayana, whomever I always will be thinking that, who has beautiful face, mandahasam, who has always will be giving a nice smile, who has lotus like divine face, such Paramatma whom I always keep thinking, such Paramatma is standing right in front of me. Like this, Pandavas, he is addressing Pandavas and also saying that, oh my dear Pandavas, when Paramatma is standing right in front of me, I am willing to depart from this body. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha said. Then, in front of all the great rishis, in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Dharmaja approached Bhishma Pitamaha and asking about all kind of dharmas from the scriptures. Now Bhishma Pitamaha explaining Dharmaraju about Dana Dharman, Raja Dharman, Moksha Dharman, Vibhagasaha, Stri Dharman, Bhagavad Dharman, about all charities, all righteousness, all kind of tenets, and kingdom, how about kingdom, how to rule the kingdom, what are the dharmas related to kings, what are the dharmas related to moksha, what are the dharmas related to charities, what are the dharmas related to women, Stri, what are the dharmas related to bhaktas. All these dharmas were explained by Bhishma Pitamaha to Dharmaraju. Some of them were explained in detail, some of them were explained in brief. Nana akhyana itihaseshu. Bhishma Pitamaha continuously start taking wonderful examples and small stories from history and presenting to Bhishma Dharmaraju in front of so many devatas, rishis and Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. He is saying all this and waiting for Uttarayanam. Only when Uttarayanam comes, he wanted to depart from this body. He has that Swachanda Maranam. He has a willpower. He has such kind of freedom to depart from this body whenever he wants to depart. That kind of great power Bhishma Pitamaha has, and he is now waiting for Uttarayanam. Then comes Uttarayanam. Already there Uttarayanam. Immediately, all of a sudden, Bhishma Pitamaha, the one who was giving a continuous, constant Upadesam to Dharmaraju, suddenly he stopped his Upadesam. The one who has been doing so much of great Upadesam, the one Bhishma Pitamaha, who has seen so many battles, the one Bhishma Pitamaha, who has been protecting so many people, suddenly he stopped. Giraha upasamhrutya. He stopped all of his activities. Immediately he started releasing himself from all kind of relations and all kind of mundane connections, mundane attachments. Then he paid complete attention upon. He made sure that his mind is completely occupied with Adi Purushe, the one who is the Adi Purusha, Sriman Narayana is there in his mind now. Krishna, the one who is Sriman Narayana standing right in front of him, Krishna as a Krishna. Bhishma Pitamaha completely occupied with Krishna Paramatma now. The one who has Chaturbhuje, 4 hands. Such Paramatma, Sriman Narayana is there in his manas, completely occupied. Lasat Pita Pate, the one who has Pitambaram, such Paramatma is completely filled up in the manas of Bhishma Pitamaha. Then Bhishma Pitamaha, he opened his eyes wide, Amilita Druk, and he narrowed down entire of his vision. Manas, all of his attention towards Vyadharayat Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha is completely occupied with Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.